Good morning people, and welcome back to another episode of Live in the Village. And today we're heading out to Levuka Town and to a place called Mbamba that's behind Levuka Town, where where our aunties live. It's a pretty place we're gonna show you. We're going there because there's a function. And this function is to celebrate Momo John's grandson, Rongo. He's gonna turn 1, I think today, actually. And not only that, but in a Fijian culture and Fijian tradition, when it's the firstborn, the first time he gets a haircut, there's also a big celebration, a big function that takes place. So today, it's kind of like two things we are celebrating. His first birthday and where he's gonna get his first haircut. So we're gonna see how this event is gonna.
That place called Taliban.
Don't lie, man. Taliban.
We're gonna see Taliban today.
Hi. Not funny, man.
Yeah.
Oh, the place is called Taliban.
Yeah, people over there very rough.
Oh, very rough.
Be careful, don't give an answer.
Hi. And today, John the mother has joined us. Skip school. Oh, and this is Remy and Navi and Konongone Toses and the captain. Check up. Ew. And it's been raining the whole week, and today the weather is good. So we're gonna show you how that place Mbamba it's called. It looks like it's kind of like
you go up like walking into heaven.
Yes.
You're gonna walk up, not walk down.
Oh,
you stay up there. You walk down when you come back.
Yeah.
Yeah. You go there. You stay in the house like this. Just stay in the house. You walking around. Ooh.
It's called Mbamba. You never go down.
You go up.
Go up nga.
Yeah. Reach heaven.
You'll come down when you back to the village. If you go down.
Satu volta ketti me sakar ko sentivo.
Okay, people, we have arrived to Levuka Town. Where we are going, it's like up in the hills. Mbamba in Fijian, I think means hill. You know? So basically, we're going to the hills, and by the hills I mean the majority of people that work and reside in Levuka. Their houses is in the back of Levuka Town in the hills. So basically we are going there and we'll show you the way, and you can see here some of the houses that are located under the hills. Look over there and further up. That's why we are heading here. What do you think, Remy? Good? Eh?
Good. Terus apa?
Huh? Ano? Happy birthday, Ano. Woo! Okay, people, let's go. And you can hear the big generator that powers the whole island behind me. I hope you guys can hear me, but that's the sound of it, the generator. Now we're here in Levuka Town, and we have to go somewhere back there in
Back of
Bamba.
the town.
Okay, people. Firstly, we have to buy a present for little Rongo. You know, it's his birthday, his first haircut. So gotta spoil him, eh? It's a big thing. It's a big thing. Globdas and Choices. We are looking for some cars to give.
Ikaw boleh kalba, siku.
That's fine.
Ano boleh?
Eh? Kung sorry ito.
For this gentleman.
Yes, I'll buy this one. Goreng pack. Okay, people, we got the gift, and now it's time to head up to Mbamba, as they call it. Pretty full the town today. Okay, people, we are back here again. This place where me and Mama John and Luca came to eat. I'm gonna have the curry again. So just gonna try the fish and chips with John the mother. Look at these people. The curry here is too good, man. People, I'm real hungry. Let's just taste the curry to see if it's still good as last time. Yeah. Still good, and the serve is huge. Boy, catch.
Catch.
Don't let the chips.
Catch mo.
Try man the chips. Good. How's the chips?
Good.
Yep.
Hot.
Yeah, very hot. Eh? How's the chips done? Good. Eh? How's the sausage? Good. How's the sausage? Good. How's the chips? How's the fish?
Chips. There's no fish.
Good. Okay, people, now we finished. Hello. Now we finished eating, and now it's time to find some suki before we go up, you know? Okay, people, now time to head up to Mbamba. Got some suki. Now we're just gonna go. The birthday will begin at 3 p.m. There's still 3 hours left, so let's see. William and Timothy, they went in the morning, and we came a bit later.
Go to Bamba.
Okay, people, so now we're finally going to Mbamba, and the weather is hot, so we need something to cool us down. And this video is sponsored by Cool Shake. If some of you guys have followed us for quite a while, this is something the boys, me and the kids, we enjoy doing. We buy it sometimes in the village, at the store in the neighboring village. And now, since the weather is hot, why not? But Levuka is like a heritage site, UNESCO heritage site. I hope I said it right. So everything here you see, it's almost the same from the time that it was built. And you can see here, check copy. I think they're only allowed to change the color of the building and stuff like that. But hey, alap. But other than that, everything must remain the same, you know. And I've heard for some people they want to expand here in Levuka, but they can't because it's a heritage site. I don't know if it's true or not. And people, you can see the school here, Marist Convent, from 1882. Almost as old as John the Mother's father. Yo. And one thing you experience here in Fiji, all the different schools have their own uniform, you know. So you rep your color and stuff like that. And you see, especially in Suva, when they got off school, the amount of different colors there are on the street, school uniforms, you know. But look at the architecture, you can really see it's really old. Look. And people, now we're getting closer to Mbamba. As Jose talked about, it's up in the hills and the back of the town. And you can see here, over there, that is the place, one of the places that you can go up. And that is where our aunties live, where we're gonna go.
Yeah, where our dead sisters. Hore's mom and Hore's mom is what?
Youngest.
Youngest one.
Yeah, but 3 of our aunties got married up there.
Yeah, 3 of our auntie married up.
Yeah.
That's why one of the son of the auntie marry Timothy's sisters.
Yes.
Even on their birthdays, sons.
And you can see here people, the school kids hanging out. Look. And people, now we are at Levuka Public School. There's both a primary school and secondary school here. You can see here. And this is the first ever school built in Fiji. As some of you guys know, Levuka is the old capital of Fiji. Before they moved to Suva, this is where most of the business was done back then. So yeah, has a lot of history for a little town, you know. Education for sustainable development. Lest we forget. Wow. And Cookie's sister is here. She goes to school here. Okay, people, we are slowly approaching Bamba now. And this is it. You can see the river here. Look. And this river goes all the way from the mountain down to the sea. And a lot of people, they live up here, you know. I heard from my aunties that it's kind of divided in 3. There's Korobo and 2 others. I can't remember the name, but they live in Korobo. It's not villages that are located up here. It's more like settlements. So they are like, as I said, 3. And one of them is Korobo, but I can't remember the name of the other 2. The one is located further up. Well, first we're gonna arrive to where my aunties live, and then there's another one where we have to go further up, and the third one is located on the right side, this side over there. but we're gonna continue straight. And back in the day, there wasn't any road that led here, you know, only steps, gravel. But now the municipality have fixed the road so the cars they can go, you know.
Before, there was no road up here. All the people land down there and carry their stuff up to the.
But now we saw it. Now
Before
change.
when we were child, we come stay here for 2 weeks, go back. Like this is our home.
Hey,
This is where you're gonna sleep tonight.
hey Chico. So the municipality built this road. Now the cars can actually go pretty deep in. Not all the way up though, but it's a major help. Because I've seen many old people go up and down these steps, man. I feel sorry for them sometimes, you know. For my grandmother who lives here, all my aunties, you know. It's not easy. But when we get up there, you'll understand why some people chose to live up here. It's so amazing. And again, you can see the river here. And you can see John the mother and his father in front. This footpath was not always there. When we were kids, as Jose explained, there were no footpath. It was just like kind of a road, dirt road. But now they built a footpath so it's easier to go up and down. Very hot, eh? Fuck. And you can really feel the heat. The good weather's coming back. We've been complaining, oh, there's no sunshine. And now when there's sunshine, we complain, it's too hot. People are never satisfied, you know? Yeah. It's too hot. So people, luckily for us, my auntie doesn't live far up. You're not in for a long walk up in the hills, you know? Hey. Yeah. And you can see solar there. They came earlier. This is the chief of Bamba. Okay, people. Okay, people. One thing that I like about coming here to my aunties is this, you know, every morning and every afternoon, or even during the day, is this look. Look at this. Look at these people. Look at the view. I feel like that post is standing away. Okay, look. Absolutely beautiful. You can see Wakai, you can see Coral Island, you can see Makongai, and you can see the reefs, where the reef ends. So let's go to the Lobo and see. And you can see here, Sola is here, Jess is here, Timothy and William is here, and Navi. Robin, tara main door. Okay, people. So they are making balsami right now, which is taro leaves, and then the inside is coconut milk, onions, and corned beef. And they're gonna wrap it in the silver papers of foil, and then they're gonna like cook it in the lobo, in the underground oven. Look.
Goreng.
Nah, dalam situ. Wanyu, wai beras awak cibul moko.
Iya. Corned beef
Corned beef, iron.
and pure coconut milk.
And this is really
Ayam.
Dat is uw koem,
Aye.
koemlotte.
This is a kid's birthday and you talk like that.
No, this is jolly for lot.
Yeah, brother,
Only
this
for
kind no
lot.
good. Eh?
No good.
Only for lot.
You will see tonight.
Will ratu net to lot.
You will ride with us.
So,
Oh boy.
Pero beli na lola.
Rota. All right.
Karena nabuan teknik. Okay, people. So we just got some food. What maybe we'll go to some where where the women they cook further down. And matavali here will masu before we begin.
It's on the masu, but let's support you, but the seafood plus a lot.
Come. What's this? Chicken soup.
No, soup.
what is that?
Chicken soup.
Yes, you
Taste.
Amas kom do.
How's it? Good.
Double excellent.
Double excellent, absolute. Senang saya kata dia. This is not.
Siguro lang dami mo besin, meluri man.
It's okay. It's good. This is the broth. Good, fresh, healthy. Chickenish.
Mandadir udah lusuh.
Termakin on nice. Amtsia.
Jos men kan oi.
Am sande. Iko rolongot. Uula tiko rolongot.
Jos men kan oi.
Tor ma.
Kan en tero.
Yo bro. So ngong sa ngapi. Iwi.
Hai, correct. Woi, siapa tu siapa kalau tu aja sampai si kena layan ni. Mesti ni orang kerja yang kau nama mama. Ada yang makan.
So people are the banana plant that we just saw my
The
cousin.
stem, just the stem, not the plant.
Is this the plant?
No, it's the stem. Rajiv said that thing cut away the stem.
Whoa,
All the stem.
you can see he was cutting or like pulling it into small pieces. That's to use as cover for the stones, so the food doesn't get cooked too much or overcooked in the lava. So it's like to cover the stones, and then you can put the food on top of the banana stems or plant. Ew.
Mama.
Okay, people, I think they'll put this into the head of the pig. I tasted this back in Suba once. We went to a function, a funeral, where they cooked the head of the pig. I think it's the thing they do, the lava gang. The head of the pig, and it was really, really tender, Tastes really, really good. And now people is gonna weave it or braid it. Look, with the coconut leaves. And you can see check over here with the other part of the head, also weaving or braiding it. Weaving or braiding, I'm not sure, to be honest, but you can see, look. And you can see here people is done. Looks good, man. People, so now it's time to clear the lava out and take out the firewood, and then we can prepare to put the food in the lava, the underground oven, and then bury it afterwards. Look, this is the boys clearing all the firewood. Look. Catch. And you can see people how hot the stone is. Look, the rocks. All whitey, reddish, really good. After this they're gonna level it and then put the food on these stones. So you can see here Tulo and so they are leveling it now below, you know. Look. And now soon the banana tree or the banana stem can come into play, you know. It's gonna use as cover for the food, so the stones don't get directly on the food, so the food doesn't get overcooked. Or gesa, as they say. Time for the pig head to go in. And people, you can see that the banana tree, the banana stems. And this is where I should move, because this thing, they're gonna do it real fast, you know. And you can see there are people that paddle, going from one station to the next station until the final destination, which is the Lobo. It really goes fast. And now the cassava. Kana polsam?
Iya, polsam niya.
Oh, sangan to. Oy. Oy. Gosangan ni es. Okay, people, so they're gonna put in the chicken thighs now and the polsan. Look. And now it's time to cover it. And you don't really want to have no smoke coming out, you know. You want to cover it well so the heat can stay inside. Deu! Bem na갔다. And now people, time to bury it. And after this, I think it's going to take a bit of an hour, usually. Yeah, 1 hour, as they say. Okay, people, need a bit over an hour. So 3:30, we're gonna come and dig it up. And look at this again, people. Look at the view. Absolutely amazing, man. And now it's time to go and relax. Where we always relax when we come to Bambe, and that is in this house. This is kind of like the boys' hangout place, you know. Okay, people, now it's time to dig up the log. It's been over an hour now, so let's see the result of this. And you can already feel the smell. It smells really good, you know. It smells boots. Carefully, they're just gonna slowly remove the leaves. And here's where they're gonna put the fruit load. And they can really feel the smell now. It smells really, really good.
Azul. Na toa, yung na toa. Okay. Kalilip na toa. Pero mix to go. Toa. Kava. First time siya nako. Oh. First time dito nito. Sa bata nga may first time na to. First time go. Toya. First time dito.
Toa.
Look at those people. Really, really good, man. It sounds really good. Wow. Looks really yummy. And people, look at the taro and cassava. That looks really, really good to look. And this is the balsamic. People, here's the pig head, and it's gonna go inside there. Okay, people. So this is kind of like the taro plant, not actually the taro roots, but the plant that they cook. And now they're gonna mix it all in with the pig meat, the pig head, and the balsamic. Look. Looks really, really good. And see the color, people. Look. And that's the pig brain. And look at the color, people. Wow. Hera. Husband and wife. Husband and wife. People, let's taste the taro. Wow. It's really good. It's moisty. It has the smoky flavor and wow, really good. Yo, fuck you, bitch. Bilang, ikaw nung menos tu, man.
Ako tumanda ng kuliah. Ako tumanda ng kuliah, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, look at this mix, people. Wow. Looks really, really good. Look at these people. Boy.
Pakai itu macam siapa? Rogi bayi.
Kasih. Turang ketika.
Tentukan dari mana?
Ayo, Mai. Beras. Pame. Pame. Andra.
Okey.
Masuk. Mas turangan bakalan susul ngok. Kira turan kunro disun bandua. Amen. Awa apa malu ah? Woi, nandro nakanggo. Apa malu ah?
Oh, gula. Okay, people. Let's taste the pig. Wow. It's really good. The meat is tender, it's smoky, and the taro plant that is cool. Mixing it together, wow. This is really, really delicious, people. Wow. How's it, bro? And you can see there, look how delicious it is, the amount of people there. Okay, people, we are at my auntie's house and we are ready to go to the birthday. But firstly, we have to get the birthday boy dressed. Look, here is Ronus Cianus Kevis. So we made an episode about it when we went to a village in Ra, when one of my cousins celebrated her first born, like first birthday, and this is the same thing. Look. So they're gonna dress the birthday child up. This is like a village tradition, and they'll do it in Masi, you know. We saw it with my cousin in Ra, and here we're gonna see it here to look at the Masi patterns. Yeah, good.
Kaguda.
Can be uncomfortable for the kid, but this is a tradition they do. Look. Wow, catching good boy. See, and now this shirt. Because he's the firstborn, and it's the first time he's getting a haircut. As I said again, it's a big celebration too, so it's like two celebration we're doing in this function. Look at the shirt pattern. Boy, looks gooder. You look gooder. Ayo.
Two man.
Wow.
Wow, good.
True, man.
You nice boy.
And off we go, people.
Oh.
Up to the hall where we gonna have the birthday at. Okay, people. Now it's up to the community hall. And people, you can see the food here. Happy birthday, guys.
Nakarangone di ko na hubali na biwekani. Doktor nanguno binakampan mo sabi kita magkikenda. Ana kami na ni sini ko. Isa chiko sa kanangon iturangan na tuni mata. Ausa kita bagi ke muniti ko na din di kalu na tamanda kena liwana kena lotam. Isa chiko sa kanangon iturangan na rokowuli. Ni chiko na hubale na biwekani nanra. Tapi chiko na ilis ni lo tuni waswas lo moibiti. Na bono ikumbone wai. Ono tura na pinirai. Ausa be kita bagi chiko na ni kalau na tamata kena lubiana kena lo tambu. Sa kita bagi tiko na biwekani. Anda tiko rawa na kabila ni sikini ko menda mai marantaka. Na nona sa tambe tambula taloro na matai ne ambaki ni nona bula. Ano keremen do man tanon to posuso ko na kalau. Posuso ko na kalau. Ano nonto posuso ko ta pangole ko na kalau. Ano buku ni nona nona makena nona be bara tek. Sa tegu besar nona songo. Ausa rabuta o chichiko, ina o china lotu. Ana ngau na ko chichiko kina orongo. Ocha tanaga ni tomani na nong program na kami ko. Ngono ko sa nagarab sige na lotu asol sa sige na turang na ibatawa may kalamba meneliu tegi kenda ena kami ni sige ni ko.
Wachilo chuko na lomani biokani enda sanda bichuko na revi bina nishikua na kuno mata bisa karena puli kurang na tuyomba
Memba wa kolu Mena sati Kava Kavewekani Menonana Lolo Mabakalo Sakiliti Imena Belomani
Adeni ulu moto ni tuda katela mena mati ni lubi mo Jesu Kristo ko sa adeni ni turanga ni mamsurundum ene Yavusa ka chonga ni mami mo. Amen. Amen.
Kaya medyo madala ta pastor sa wala sa ni batawa. Naka nota tumo tara ma kibri na biokani. Sana moran rin mo mesana coach gino rongo na matay ni ngo na may coach gina rongo ko na ulu matua nanraw openi batake tema kapag kaya na ray may rongo nito nang kasin tamit to ko soya ngurida nang kasya kasya o ko ekta ta gitena na ala ya no tutu waru rongo nono tutu warua, matay nono tutu. Tetapi to kaya pamatili lolo. Karon nono tutu ya. Ya ba kami nono tutu o tema. Nono tutu o tema ngono. Sakay nono tutu warua rongo Ya balta mo binibina kapale wona kalo. Di batara besembul cinga na nono tutu warua sare na makumpura paru Tama binibina ka wona kalo. Sa tanah marang ni ngole mai ni ko nono koci. Biasa na sure ti chibukina o nono momo ko ngase bi tema kemuni dokani ko nono momo ko ngase bi tema o ko daga chuma na Pacific Harbor Hotel Maindomba hotel ko lebu ko daga chuma kai kono ko sana kere chiko ko mena wonake mena le bikochi Menalai coach o tema o Del.
Menalai coach tengah tem.
Orang nak kayu kuat. Naka nireza. Di bawah tak kemuni na.
Okay, people, this is time for Rongo's first haircut. You can see again the massive people.
Saya lituanya na nota sisi kuat ya satu so era rajito da Kava na bulangan ni be family kwento na ni family and do be family tuka kina na tukanta and do kotsi na
Ulu mo ni matay ni ngona mula. Santa para sarawa. Dosan da masasawa. Ako siya na muna. Atau tombe. Pamanua. Pati na pasal nganita. Manginon momo. Dosan da masasawa. Kaya nagkaroon ni waswas ni Nonda, katol waswas ni Nonda. Nanalangan na sere na sinisud happy birthday to Rongo. Di otia na ubo na keke musu. Sana surat sige na ole na may wakata na kanrala. Nangon na kamay. Na may wakata na kanrala. Di otia sana kay kirim man na lang at tabata na happy birthday to Rongo, happy birthday to you, Tambra. May. Eto. Pagkata keke, tagin duro na. Lang mas ndo, lang man ako ni soya, nako right. Light the candle. Okay. Tune happy birthday to you, Ruotalu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Romo. Happy birthday to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life, dear Romo. Happy long life to you. May God. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Awa, ubo na kanala tutu. Ubo. Blow, naka, what is out? Naka, great yes for Rongo's first birthday. Hip Walilai, nanu mamasika na keke. Hip Kaila! Musu na keke, musu tu. Parau, pasu tutu. God bless you. Okay, that's right.
Okay, people, this is for the kids that are the same age as Ron. They also get a little gift. I'm 1 year old today. Thank you, Naka. And you can see here the queue of the kids and parents that are going to go and give their gift to small Rong. So people, now it's the evening and now it's time for the grog session, you know. And you can see all the boys there, they're handing out grog, bowls of grog. And this is what we're gonna do. I don't know for how many hours, but I think they might want to go to the nightclub later, to LC Levuka Club. Let's see.